Hello guys, it's KRISHGAMEHACKER. Welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll be doing an unboxing. And in this unboxing we'll be unboxing the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, which is the Indian variant for the Pro one. So yeah, let's get into the video. And yeah, so here we are, and we got the new Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, and this is going to be my primary phone. And if you follow my previous videos, you know that I use the Galaxy M30s as my primary, and recently I have a lot of apps and it's getting kind of slow, so I'm upgrading to a better one now, which has 8 GB RAM. So this is Redmi Note 10 Pro Max with the 8 GB and 128 GB, 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage model. It's a 5000 mAh battery. It has a Qualcomm 732G processor, 108 megapixel camera, a 120 Hz AMOLED display with HDR10 support. It's quite good, and it has also Gorilla Glass 5, so I don't need a tempered glass. So it has an IR remote control, which is basically standard with every Redmi phone. Dual stereo speakers, a from glass frosted back or something. Has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and 360-degree light sensor, which I will see what it is about. So this is the blue color variant, 8 GB and 128, as I said. So this is pretty much the box. The standard pricing is 25,000, but you can get it for I think 22,000 on Amazon. So I'll just drop down the link in the description. You can buy it if you want to. So let's see. Okay, let's open it up. So the seal's closed because I want this to be recorded on cam. So yeah, let's do that. I get my special unboxing knife, which I like. Okay, it's good. And let's cut this up. Boom. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Yes. That's pretty much an empty box. Has some QR codes and all that. So opening the box, we get this. It says Redmi, designed by Redmi. Let's open this full tab. This is not okay. Okay. This must be the okay. That's our SIM ejector tool comes over here. Oh, we get a casing bit. Okay, I didn't know that. Okay, so we get a we just get a user guide. We just keep it aside. We get a nice case though. Let's open the case and see that. That's nice. Pretty cool. So it's a flimsy one. Which obviously is going to be yellow if you keep using this one, but it's something. That has a nice finish to that one. Let's get that off that. And let's open our phone. Okay. This is our phone. I think you can see it. Yeah. It's a nice finish to it. It has a also black. Okay. I'm going to open this. I'll see what's in the box. That's the basic standard rule for every unboxing. Give it cut out. Okay, like that. Okay, this is a white charger brick. Okay, so this is a 33-watt fast charging brick, and this is like a big upgrade for me because Samsung is like stuck on 15 watt. That also adaptive, so it fluctuates between 10 watt to 15. But yeah, it's a white one. I would like a black one, but I didn't order the black one, so I'm not complaining. And this is the USB-C wire. I want to see how long this is. Yeah, it's pretty much long. So yeah, it's I would say about 1.5 feet maybe. Yeah, it looks about 1.5 feet. It's rigid. Maybe that's because it's new, but yeah, it looks good, and it's a red accent inside it. So let's close that up. Okay. So let's keep this aside. Give me a second. Okay, the position might be different from last time because this kind of picture was setting up. Really, I think that's the empty. The box is empty. So we got a the charger brick. We also got the case, and that's it, and the phone. Okay, let's get to the phone then, which we are all waiting for. So according to this, okay, let's split this off. I want to make my hands clean. That's the frosted glass. Now, as you can see, the side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Okay, and this is the volume button. Okay, let's open this camera first. Okay, that is a nice finish. As you can see, this is a matte thing. Oh yeah, you can look at this angle. Let me just focus it for you. Yeah, as you can see, this is a matte finish. And look at the camera setup. That's a nice camera setup. Let's try out the camera later. I think we have a screen protector on it, pre-built. So if you can see that, there's a bit of a lip, as you can see over this corner. So it has a pre-applied thing. That's pretty cool. And you see the stereo speakers, big ones, and these are also speakers. Yeah, these are the stereo speakers. This is the IR blaster, noise cancellation, and the headphone thingy. Yeah, this is the headphone thingy. And you have the again microphone, stereo speaker, and the USB charging. Okay, let's see, and let's get on. I just want to put the place on so don't get too much stuff on this one. Okay, let's do that. Okay. I put it wrong way, I think. No, get in. No, that's good. Okay. Got it ready from. Okay, that's cool. Okay, let's on it. Turn it on. Okay, Redmi. This is a ring light. In the stream, if you see my streams. Okay, let's turn off the ring light and see. You can see it clearly. That's a nice animation. Personally, I do not like MIUI, but it has a lot of broadware, they say. But let's check it out how they improved it. Let's give it a look clear. Okay, MIUI 12 is long. English, and yeah. Although I have to put on SIMs in this one, but the SIM is currently in the phone which is recording this, which is Galaxy M30s. But I'll do that. Let's see if I don't accept any of this, but I think I have face emoji. Okay, let's try it. Whatever. Skip this tab. We don't have the thing again. This has dual SIM and a dedicated micro SD slot, which is cool. Okay, let's do 5G. Yeah, we're doing 5G net. Phone issue. Okay, that's connected. Okay, we get 60% battery. It might vary for you, but something. Okay, getting phone ready. It's going to download a lot of stuff, but it's 5 gigahertz and I have a 250 Mbps internet, so it might not be a problem. Okay, we will do this later on and copy for now. We'll do that to Samsung's copy thing. This is just for the unboxing experience and show you how it launches on the first thing. Let's skip this one also. I'll skip everything for now and just do it afterwards. Okay, blah blah blah. Okay, phone ready. I'm especially interested about the MIUI experience. Skip, yeah, skip. Let's skip the step. Glance, I don't want this. No thanks. I don't want that. Personalize. No, no, turn off. Nope. Yeah. User experience program. Yeah, sure. Classic and Pro. I'm going for Pro style. Okay, ready to rock. If you think my voice has changed, I do not know, but there are people who say that my voice has changed a bit from the last time they heard me. It's been a while since I talked a lot on the internet, but yeah, gotta go through changes. Okay, You go down with this. Okay. Yeah, blah blah blah. Oh no. Yeah, I'm not opening shit right now. Okay. I think we are on some 60 hertz as default. That's the same. Oh, that's done. That's fast. As you can see, that's fast. Okay. Okay, that lock speed is faster. Look at this. Open. It's fast. Settings. Always on. We have always on display. I have to go to this. Get that dark mode thing. Yes. Themes. Is it themes? Whatever. No, it's not themes. It's display. Yeah, it's dark mode. Yeah, that's more like it. Oh, okay, I said it. Refresh rate is, I think, can't see shit. Let me put it right more. That's faster switching. Okay, guys, you can see refresh rate. Click on that and let's go to 120. Oh, that's smooth. Okay, that's damn smooth. You might not see in the video because it's 30 fps lock, but it's pretty good. Yeah, you have to see this for your eyes, but this is pretty fast. Although I want to see the camera for the 108 megapixel. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Yeah, while using this app, press video to press functions. Let's go for past. Looks. Oh yeah, we have the 10x zoom. This. Oh, yeah, that is good. You can read that. Okay. And what's this? This is ultra wide. I think so. Okay, we have the pro mode, which would give us access to all these things which are like this macro, this wide, and what's this one? The ultra. Okay, wide, ultra wide, and the macro, which is let's take this pen for example. Let's point it at it. Ah, that is nice. That is pretty good. Yes, you can see. I might be shaking, but you can see that. No, that's great. That's great. Oh, it's on 108. Okay, this is 108 megapixel ultra mode. Let's see how much time it is. That's fast. Shutter speed is fast, which I have complained about that in M30s. See, turn. Oh, wait. Okay. Let's see burst. Okay, took 24 percent that. Burst mode. Okay. Can't complain too much. Okay. Let's see this burst one. Okay. Not bad. And the video format, I have to check on what form. We have 1080p 60, we have 1080p 30, we have 720 30, we have 4K 30. Super macro, show gray, moving objects. This tracks moving objects. Okay, I want to see this one. Okay. Tab in order to keep in it focus. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, let's try it with the pen. It's better this way. Let's take a video. Okay. Okay, let's try this. What does it do? Okay, it zooms in on this one. Okay. It's a feature, that's it. I don't know why you would use that. You could just manually do that to a phone, but then that's then we have the normal portrait. We have slow motion, a watermark, clone. Oh, clone is the dual video time lapse, night mode, all that. We'll do that in a review if you do one. But yeah, that's pretty much how and what you can do in this one. So stay tuned for the review for this phone. Stay subscribed, put down a like or comment what you want me to do on this phone. and I'll hopefully publish a video on that. So yeah. Oh, and before we go, I'll just show you how much bloatware we get. Zil, unnecessary shit. A Prime Video I might use, I will use Netflix, I might not use. We have MI Remote, which is the IR blaster. MI Pay not going to use, MI Credit not going to use, LinkedIn will use, Home might not, Google Movie Service, no one uses that one. Google One might use it, as Google has not gone free at the moment. So yeah, Amazon will use that. So we have Compass also in build. Oh, we have Carbon Compass, okay. Anyway, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.
Look at my life, feel my pain. When it comes to me and you, we're not the same. This is so far from a game. What you saying? It ain't nothing but hard work and dedication. Quit complaining. Look at my life, feel my pain. When it comes to me and you, we're not the same. This is so far from a game. What you saying?